In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use advanced tables in Obsidian Mobile. If you take notes on the go and want clean, consistent tables without wrestling with Markdown syntax, this walkthrough will get you set up and confident. Start by opening Obsidian on your mobile device. From the main screen, look to the top left and tap the box icon to open the sidebar. This sidebar gives you quick access to navigation and, importantly, the app's settings. At the very bottom of that sidebar, tap the settings gear to open settings. Scroll to Community Plugins, then tap Browse. In the search bar, type Advanced Tables. You're looking for the plugin that enhances Markdown tables with alignment, formatting, and quality of life shortcuts. Once you find it, tap Install, then tap Enable. After enabling, the plugin becomes active in your vault and starts helping with table alignment and formatting as you type. Next, still in Settings, go to Hotkeys. Use the search field to find the Advanced Tables actions and look for Center Align. Tap to add a hotkey and choose a key combination that's easy for you to trigger. Pick something that doesn't conflict with other shortcuts. Obsidian will warn you if it's already in use. Now, head back to your notes, create a new note or open an existing one where you want a table. Type a simple header using Markdown pipes like this: vertical bar, a space, the word task, another space, and a vertical bar. When you have that header cell in place, trigger the hotkey you just assigned for Center Align. The plugin will apply center alignment to that column and help keep your table tidy as you continue typing. Add more columns by inserting additional pipes, and add rows by moving to a new line and repeating the pattern. The plugin makes alignment consistent and reduces manual editing so your tables stay readable on a small screen. That's it. You opened Obsidian, found and enabled Advanced Tables, set a Center Align hotkey, and used it in a note. With this setup, building clean professional tables on mobile becomes fast and stress-free.